In the heart of a vibrant jungle where emerald leaves kissed the sunlight and rivers shimmered like silver ribbons, lived a small fox named Leo. His fur glowed like the golden rays that filtered through the canopy above, and his eyes sparkled with endless curiosity. One morning, Leo noticed the sunlight streaming through the trees, painting the forest floor with patches of bright warmth. As he pranced through the jungle, he saw something curious. Where his little paws stepped into the light, shapes appeared on the ground behind him. Wherever a branch hung low or a large leaf waved in the breeze, dark shapes followed. Leo tilted his head and sniffed at a broad leaf blocking the sun. Suddenly, a shadow stretched across the mossy earth. He hopped back, startled, and realized that every time he blocked the light, the shadow shifted and grew. With each leaf, each stone, and each tree, the shadow seemed to dance, always connected to the source of the sun. Fascinated, Leo began to experiment. He crouched behind a rock, and a big shadow stretched across the jungle floor. He jumped over it, and the shadow leapt too. He twirled, and the shadow twirled with him. With each movement, he saw the invisible law of the jungle made visible. Light travels straight, and anything that blocks it creates a shadow. By the end of the day, as golden sunlight spilled into the evening, Leo lay on the soft moss, watching the shadows shrink and stretch with the setting sun. He understood something remarkable. Shadows always follow light, silent companions to the sun's journey across the sky. From that day on, Leo saw the jungle differently. Every shadow, every patch of light told a story of the sun, the trees, and the space in between. And with each step he took, he remembered the simple truth: block the light, and a shadow will follow.